Hey, I'm Jeff Crete, the squirrel. You've all heard that. Here at ICAST, let me tell you, I'm at the Livingston booth. As you can see, man, first-class operation. Anybody that knows anything about fishing or hunting and all that, I'm going to ask you, what's the first thing that gets eaten in the wood? You can watch the National Geographic Channel. The loudest sucker out there gets eaten first, every time. So what they've done, they've come in. Here's a clear bait right here, and they have a battery and they have a chip in here. So this thing actually is water activated, and when you're winding it down there, it emits like a distressed bait fish sound. So not only do you have a good bait, you have the sound. Sound is a big, big, big deal to me. As you know, I'm a big believer in the hydro wave and all that. So now, they already have a great line of baits available right now. And then what we've done, we have Randy Howell, Brent Chapman, and myself, and Hank Cherry, who's really doing well this year. And we've come in and taken all our ideas together and started building a new line of baits called the Pro Series. And we have started off, as you can see, with crude hand-carved baits. And now as we tweak them out and get them perfected and all that, and we find what we like, we end up with something that might look like that. I can't really show it to you too close because it's too new. And then we'll come in and add the sounds to a bait like that. So come check it out, Livingston Lures, the hottest thing going.